Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make layered enchiladas step by step. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F, warm tortillas, cook seasoned meat, and prepare enchilada sauce. Layer tortillas, sauce, meat, cheese, and repeat for 3 layers. Cover tightly, bake until bubbly and cheese melts about 25 minutes. Let rest 10 minutes before slicing. Serve with cilantro, sour cream, and lime wedges for brightness. Enjoy with rice or salad on the side. Start by preparing a rich red enchilada sauce and seasoned filling. Sauté onions and garlic, add tomato sauce, chili powder, cumin, and simmer to thicken. Brown ground beef or roast chicken with salt, pepper, and oregano, then shred or crumble. Warm tortillas briefly to prevent cracking. Assemble in a baking dish with sauce between layers, top with shredded cheese and bake until golden and bubbling. Garnish after baking for best presentation. Hey friend, if this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation, I love these socks. Socks life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. It's a small, funny pick-me-up that fits kitchen work. Check the description for the product link and other deals I mentioned. Thanks for watching and supporting creators. Now let's get back to the video. Layering is the secret to balanced flavor and texture in enchiladas. Start with a thin sauce layer to keep tortillas moist, then 1 tortilla, sauce, filling, and cheese, repeating consistently. Press gently to compact layers and avoid air pockets. Cover with foil to steam for most of the bake, then uncover for 10 minutes to brown cheese. Resting before serving helps the layers set and makes slicing neater. Serve warm for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.